How to create 3D text effect in Affinity. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you step by step process. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, come to your Affinity, just select vector mode and just write your text. Okay, this is my text. Okay, now you can change the color of this text. I just take this one. Okay, now we need to make duplicate. Just come to the layer, select that text layer and just right click on it, copy it and paste. Okay, so now we have duplicate. So you need to change color of below layer. Okay, just select that layer, go to the color and make it dark. Okay, like we need dark shade. Okay, now select that second layer and try to move it by clicking your keyboard cursor. Just keep, okay, just move down and some amount of your right side. Okay, like this. Then you need to copy this layer and paste again. So we need duplicates, we need 5 to 6 duplicates. Then just copy by clicking Ctrl plus C and just Ctrl plus V, then it will be create. Okay, now just select second and try to move it and make some right side move. Just drag down and move some right. Okay, so it will move like this. Okay, so it will be create 3D effect. So it's depend on you how you can move your text like this. Okay, now we have done. Okay, so you can move as per your requirement how much depth or 3D effect you want. After that, just select all, select any and just select hit the Ctrl plus A, then deselect that first one and now go to the options. Okay, add, so it will be merge all, the all layer will be merged. This is our original and this is a all layer. Now go to the color and change the color. Okay, it will be look like 3D effect. Okay, now can group both. Okay, sorry. Okay, now you can merge. Okay, now you can select all and you can resize it, or increase or decrease the size like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.